Welcome to our channel Plants, Crochet Cooking and more. So today is a vegetarian recipe best served with plain steamed rice, which makes a lovely meal. So let's get on. I guess many of you all have identified this deep red maroonish colored leaves. Yes, it is the amaranth. In Bengali we call it the Lal Shak, or you can say it as the red spinach. That's what it's called in English. This is a superfood. You know why? Because it's packed with antioxidants and vitamins and minerals. It is rich in fiber and helps to lower cholesterol. So isn't it a superfood? I'm going to cook this today. First, I'm going to wash it very well and then chop it into small pieces. The other things that I'll be needing to make this, it is just a stir fry. We can even add shrimps into this, but I'm doing it without the shrimps, the vegetarian version of it. I'm going to take a few green chilies, a few garlic cloves and a tomato. Now all you need to do is slit the green chilies and grind the garlic. You can even do it with a knife. See how I'm doing it. I've taken one bunch of these leaves, so just 2 cloves of garlic is enough for it. How many of you are fond of these leafy vegetables? Do let us know in the comment section, and if there is any other way you'll cook it. Now here I've even chopped the tomatoes into small pieces. When I was young, I despised having these green leafy vegetables. My father would always scold me for not having these, but now I just love green leafy vegetables, even this red one. So now this short and sweet preparation is all done. Let's get on to the cooking part. Heat some oil in a wok. Mustard oil preferably. You can use vegetable oil if you don't have mustard oil. When it is hot, you add the slit green chilies. Remember, you need to slit the green chilies, don't add it whole. Just let it change color for a few seconds. You keep it in the oil and then you add the chopped leaves into it and give it a stir. Now when you are adding the leaves, remember to lower the flame. When you start stirring it, you can increase the flame. After you stir it for some time, you add in the slit chilies and the chopped tomatoes and give it a stir again. And then you add in the salt, without which everything is tasteless. Add the salt a little less right now because the quantity of the leaves are going to decrease after it is cooked. So be careful with the salt. You can check it later and add if you need to. Now you add in the turmeric powder. You can add it just after adding the salt as well. There is no hard and fast rule for it. After frying it for quite some time, finally you will add the garlic into it. Increase the flame and start frying it again. Frying is very important while you make this stir fry leaves. It will give a different flavor to it. In Bengali, you all must have known it is known as koshano. So this koshano kind of thing is very important when you cook a dish. The taste of the food will be enhanced. And now it is finally ready. You'll understand that it is cooked because there will be no more water content. A little bit of oil will be seen on the sides. You switch off the gas, give it some standing time, and then you can serve it with plain steamed rice. I'll show you how I did my plating. I served it with plain steamed rice, and this was the chal kumror ghanto which I had made with fish head. There is a recipe in our channel. I'll provide the link as well as the I button for it. Then some poppadums were there, and there was the dal. We had lemon and rice. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel. The ingredients for this recipe is given here. Please have a look at it. Give this recipe a try. I'm sure you're going to love it. See you later in the next video. Till then, bye-bye.